Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I will give you the information about Microsoft Excel. Basically, a overview about Microsoft Excel. What is Microsoft Excel and what is the features of Microsoft Excel basically. So Microsoft Excel is a product of Microsoft. Microsoft is an American multinational technology company and it is having many products. One of them is MS Office, Microsoft Office. In MS Office, there are many applications, and one of them is called Excel. To inform you about basics of Microsoft Excel. So first thing with the start, I would like to inform you Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. We use it to record expenditure, income, plan budgets, analysis, and visualization of data and information. In many companies, we plan companies finance, we plan budgets, we do analysis, data analysis and data visualization to take any decision about company or about any process, about any system. So Excel includes many common functions that can be used to quickly find a sum, average, count, maximum value and minimum value for a range of cells. It is also having many functions like sum, average, count, maximum, minimum value. The functions of Microsoft Excel, along with some other functions like calculation, lookups, graphing tools, pivot tables, and macro programming language called Visual Basic for applications. It is a event-driven program because a few functions are already defined. That is called predefined functions, and when uh, some more event-driven requirement is there, then we go for Visual Basic for applications (VBA) coding. It is available in Microsoft Excel to automate day-to-day work, day-to-day routine works. Now, I would like to add Microsoft Excel is one of the most important workplace application that help to organize the business system and processes of data and information by the use of column and rows with formulas. Mean to say that it is most used workplace application in any organization. It is very easy to use. It quickly understandable and organized. It is very helpful to keep track of your data. It is also very easy to learn and grasp with in a very little span of time. And this will also help you to keep track of your things in daily life digitally.